Hi. So in this video, I'm going to bring you one very good news to all the PhD aspirants and the pursuing candidates, guys. Why? Because all of you know that how much it is very important to write the research paper and to publish the research paper in the most reputed journals. Okay, so if you do this work, then only your PhD work will be finished and you will be certified or else qualified as a doctorate. Okay, so based upon that one, here I bring up one workshop, guys. It is a 2 days online national research workshop. So here the topic is how to write the research paper and the written paper, how to publish them in the most reputed journals. That is the topic of this workshop, guys. And here there is no money, completely free registration, guys. And each and every participant will get the e-certificate also. So please utilize this opportunity. It will be very much helpful to you. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are pursuing or else aspirant of the PhD. It will be very helpful to them that everybody come to know how to write the research paper and how to publish them in the journals. So before going into the main content of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so you may check down from the TRUBA, Truba Group of Institutions. So from this one, we got this one, guys, that is 2 days online national research workshop on how to write and publish. Okay, how to write the research paper and how to publish them. So it is a topic. So and here the date of workshop is 6th and the 7th 2021. And the time is morning 11:30 to afternoon 1:30. So it is the time and it is the date. So please remember, guys. And it is organized by the Department of Science and Commerce, Truba Group of Institutions, Bhopal. Okay, in technical collaboration with the Global Association of the Social Sciences. And here the website is also given. And the speaker of this one is Dr. Sunil Goyal. So he is an eminent social scientist, writer, professor and head, motivational and professional speaker, researcher and the editor-in-chief. Okay, and each and every participant will get the e-certificate, guys. And here for the registration link as well as the Telegram group link is also given here. So whatever the necessary links are there, all the links I will put in the description box of this video. And while coming to the schedule of this one, so we got the schedule from the facultytic.com website, guys. So 6th May 2021, 11:30 a.m. to 11:40 inaugural session will be there. And coming to the 6th May 2021, 11:40 to 1:10 p.m. writing and designing scientific manuscripts for UGC Scopus and high impact factor peer reviewed journals by Dr. Sunil Goyal, professor and head, PhD research guide, a major research project, Government of India. And 1:10 to 1:30 p.m. question answer session followed by vote of thanks and national anthem. And coming to the 7th May 11:30 a.m. to 11:35 introduction by the workshop convener, and 11:35 a.m. to 1:05 p.m. publishing manuscript, identifying the journal, knowing the editor process and understanding the various concepts like ISB, ISSN, peer review, impact factor, indexing, citation, plagiarism, ethics, etc. So all these things by same Dr. Sunil Goyal, professor and head. And from 1:05 to 1:20 question and answer session will be there. And from 1:30 to 1:20 to 1:30 concluding the address and vote of thanks followed by the national anthem. Fine. So these are the details, guys. And if you're having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact Dr. Richa Jain, the workshop convener, Truba Group of Institutions, Bhopal, and here the contact number as well as the email ID is also given here. Okay, and e-certificate is also you will get. Okay, to get the e-certificate also you may contact to this person, guys. Fine. And coming to the eligibility, it is open to all faculty members, students, research scholars, working professionals and others. Okay, so these are the details regarding this one, guys. And whatever the registration link, the Google form link is there, Okay, and the Telegram group link. So both these two I will keep in the description box of this video. And if you are having any further doubts are there, and if you want to contact them directly, here the mobile number is also given, okay, WhatsApp number, and the email ID is also given. So you may contact to this workshop convener, that is Dr. Richa Jain. Okay guys, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are struggling to write the research paper, how to write and how to publish. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay, and if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide